Hello my demo friends, and welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. And I am back today with a class that you can do as a with product class by post. If, like me, you are still locked down somewhere in the world, it works perfectly well as a class by post if you include the whole bundle. If you are able to meet in person, you could do it maybe with the stamps and with an optional upgrade to the dies as well. But I am teaching this by post. So it will be a little bit more of an expensive class for my lovely ladies, but to be honest, the projects are so amazing and it'll be fantastic value for money because they will get all of these wonderful projects and wonderful goodies, and we will have a quick look at what they're getting and what you will be getting if you buy the class. So here we go. This is the bundle that we're using. This is called A Welcoming Window. It's on page 58 of the mini catalogue. This is 2021. Absolutely love this bundle, and I could see straight away it was going to be versatile, it was going to be fun, and there were things that we could do with it. So let me quickly run you through the projects that I'm teaching. You will get videos, you will get measurements for all of these things, including for US letter as well as for A4 size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you over to my overhead camera and we will have a look at these one by one so you get an idea of how the class will work. Right, so let's take a look at this bundle and the projects that the class includes. So for a start, we've got not one but two kinds of windows on here. You've got this one, which is all wood grained and is basically a pretty much a die cut, well, it is a die cut version of a window with the arched top. Really, really pretty. It's also got its own window box come window sill. Then we've got these. Now what these do, and actually the slightly smaller on here, so it's probably the easiest way to show you. Hopefully you can see that. This window goes inside those, and the shutters go inside there. Then we've got flowers. These are the hinges. We've got various flower pots and jug for all the flowers to go in. We've also got brick and some little corner pieces of greenery as well. So really, really fun. The only thing I think I have used extra in my class is a couple of little creatures which I will show you, which you can leave in or change out, whichever you would prefer. Okay, let's look at the projects. And we have this one here. So this is the simple stamping one. Don't worry about the lines across here. My stamp actually had a flaw on it. So rare for that to happen, but I've got a new one coming, but it hasn't yet arrived. So ignore the slightly strange diagonals on a couple of the stamps. Okay, so we've got a simple stamping one to get everybody started. Then we've got the one with the die cut window, windowsill, and the shutters here. And you can see how fab those embossed pieces look. With this one here, I've taken it up a step with opening and closing shutters. So it just makes it a little bit more kind of interactive and interesting. So there are, I've got an easy way to make that work for you. Then on the next one, something a bit more imaginative. And yeah, this little pussycat and the donkey I have taken as an option to go in here, but you could have a horse stamp, you could have even the zebras would be fun in here, or the goats. So we've got various critters could go into your stable. But yep, there's that one there. Then this one here, taking interactive to the next step. You pull at the sides and the shutters, the double shutters, fold back. And you'll see we've got a double width window on the inside there and double shutters. And so I will show you how to do the mechanism for that one. And finally, I did a flower shop. Now this could also be a chocolate shop or a cake shop or something else depending on the stamps, but obviously because this includes flower stamps, that's what I used. And then we open it up and we're inside the flower shop. And of course you can put as many flowers, I kind of stopped, but you could put as many flowers and shelves and things on the inside, and I've left a place down at the bottom to put greetings and sentiments and so on. So that is the class. Those are the 6 projects I have designed. I think they will take your customers through lots of different ways of stepping this up from beginner up to really advanced projects, and I really think it will help people get the most out of this fantastic bundle. So did you like those? Are you tempted? Do you think your customers will like this if you are going to teach classes? I know mine are liking it because they are already booking, even though I have not yet got the goodies in my hands. But yeah, I think it's going to be a really fun class to do and teach. And I really enjoyed designing and making these projects. So if you would like this, the class is just £10. It comes with all of my usual goodies, which is that comes with a video for each of the projects. It comes with instructions as well, so there are some written instructions too. This is because not all of my customers are online, so you can teach this by post even if your customer is not online. You can it will also include some photographs that you can use to advertise the class, and basically everything you need to be ready to teach this class quickly and easily without any of the working out. As I said, if you're teaching this class, it is going to be a bit more expensive for your customers. Offset for you is the preparation is way easier because they are doing all the die cutting. If you have been like me teaching remotely, you have seen an awful lot of the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine over the last few months, but they will be doing their own, which is great. And you know, this one is going to keep my lovely ladies busy for a good few days, I would say. If I was teaching this face to face and I was teaching the whole lot, I would do this as an all-day class. If I was teaching face-to-face and I wanted to keep this to about a 3-hour class, I would probably do 3 of the projects. I would pick 3 of them and then just sort of demonstrate or show the other variations realistically to get it done in a reasonable time. So if you'd like to book the class, you can order using PayPal. As I say, £10, which was last time we looked, it ended up being about, was about $14 US. I think it was between 13 and 14 US dollars. A little bit, the exchange rates are all over the place, so you may find it's 11, but I think it's about 14 US to give you an idea. But hopefully you will find that information and the videos fun and good to share with your customers. So thanks for joining me on Ready Set Demo today. See you soon.